I'm going through your closet. Oh my god. We have some work to do. It's kind of all over here. It's her old clothes from like college and high school.
These are all from college. Are you making fun of me right now?
No.
Yes, you are. Don't take my picture.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little different. If you've seen a few of my other videos, you might know that I've been obsessed with thrift flips recently. If you don't know what a thrift flip is, it's just basically going to the thrift store and buying old items and then flipping them into something cute and stylish that you would wear today. I'm going to be doing something a little similar to that, except for I'm going to be going through my mom's old clothes and upcycling them into something cute and stylish that I would wear nowadays. So my mom is obsessed with keeping her old clothes from high school and college, so this is perfect for this video because she's been saving them for so long, hoping they would come back in style. And I think a few things have kind of come back in style, but definitely not fully enough for me to wear the items how they are now. So that is why I thought it'd be a great idea to take some of her clothing items and then flip them into something I can wear now. A little disclaimer before I get into this video, all credit goes to Nava Rose for the inspo and the idea for this video. She did something similar where she stole her brother's clothes and then DIY'd them into some cute pieces. So definitely go check out her channel. It'll be linked in the description box down below. So let's just get started. Okay, so the problem with my mom's closet is it is way too small for how many clothing items she has. So I guess this is perfect for this video because I can empty out a few of the items in her closet. She has a walk-in closet, but there's clothes stacked all the way around up to the ceiling. So this is gonna be kind of difficult to go through all of her clothes. Okay, I'm in my mom's closet right now. There's clearly so much to go through. She has so many clothes. It's kind of all over here is her old clothes from like college and high school. So this is the clothes that I'm gonna be looking at. Everything is literally stacked up to the ceiling. I'm just gonna go through some things and see if anything works. Okay, I feel like I wanted to maybe do a skirt or a dress, but all of this is so long, so I'm not really sure. I really wanted to do something with this, but she said that she didn't want me to cut that up. I kind of like this, but I don't really know what I'd do with it. My mom literally told me that she wore this in high school. That's crazy. I'm thinking I could do something maybe with this dress, but I don't like this frilly part. It literally looks like a cheerleading costume. I feel like I want to do something with one of her sweaters, but she has so many, as we can see. I'm gonna have to go through all of them, and I don't really want to do that. She has all these jeans, and I'm hoping she has some old Levi's ones that I can maybe cut up and make into shorts. Okay, I narrowed it down to 5 items that I'm gonna be upcycling from my mom's closet. There is so much to go through in her closet. It's literally insane. Well, let's just get started. Okay, so the first item that I found in my mom's closet is this pair of light wash Levi's jeans. So I could make them into skinny jeans, but since summer is coming up, I thought why not make them into a pair of shorts. When my mom and dad were in high school and college, Levi's jeans were around like $20, but nowadays a pair of Levi's shorts are probably $50 and a pair of Levi's jeans can sometimes be up to $100. So I knew when I went in her closet and found like 5 pairs of Levi's jeans, I had to find some that fit me so I could flip them into something I can wear today. So luckily for me and my mom are similar in size, so I didn't have to make any accommodations to the waist. But what I did is I tried the jeans on and I measured out where I wanted to cut them, and then I took a Sharpie marker and I marked on the jeans where I wanted to cut. So then I took the jeans off and I just cut right above the Sharpie line that I had made with a pair of scissors. After I cut them and they were the length that I wanted to make them a little distressed. So what I did is I just pulled out the fabric on the end of the jean to make them kind of frayed and distressed. After that was done, I knew I wanted to make a few holes in the jeans to make them even more distressed. I just made 2 holes in the jeans, one kind of near the end of the jean and the other is kind of near the top pocket. So all you need to do this is you take a little part of a cardboard box and then you need a box cutter and you just put the cardboard box inside the jeans so it's not ripping through the entire jean, and then you take the box cutter and you just start making vertical lines with the box cutter until a hole appears in the jeans, and then you just pull out the white frayed part. I got this idea from Ashley. Her YouTube is Best Dressed, so definitely check her channel out. She's awesome. After I distressed the jeans, that is pretty much it. That is my finished product. Just a pair of Levi's shorts, cute and ready for the summertime. The next item I found in her closet was this polka dot dress. It was kind of giving me like 50s vibes, and I really like polka dots. I feel like they're definitely making a comeback in 2018, 2019. So I knew I wanted to do something with this. So I was scrolling through Pinterest and I found this idea where there was a long dress just like the polka dot one my mom had, and then they made it into a 2-piece set. So I knew I definitely wanted to do that. This is definitely the hardest flip I did the entire video. It took the longest and it involved sewing, but it wasn't that hard. So what I did is I took the dress and I measured out where I wanted the top to end, and I just took the Sharpie marker again and marked that. Then I took took it off and I cut right above the Sharpie line that I made when I tried it on, and then I had my 2 pieces for the set. But when I tried the skirt back on, the skirt was still too long, so I just cut part of the end off. I didn't measure it out or anything. I just cut where I thought it might look good. Very unprofessional, but that's how I am here. I'm definitely not a DIY queen. Once I cut the set into 2 pieces, the problem was there was a zipper that I had cut through. So what I did is I just unwound the zipper. The next step was hemming the part that I had cut, because clearly when you cut fabric, it doesn't have a perfect lined edge. So what I did was I took this fabric stitch glue, and this is easier than hemming for me because it involves less sewing. I got this from Hobby Lobby and it wasn't that expensive. And I just took the glue and I put it on the ends of both the skirt and the top. Then I folded it over and it made a little hem. After the hem was dry, I took the fabric and I sewed the top piece and the bottom piece where the zipper was with just black thread. I forgot to mention that I also decided to make a headscarf for this set. What I did is I just took some of the leftover fabric from the skirt that I had cut up, and I cut a little piece of that off and just tied it around my hair to make a cute little headpiece. And that was it for the polka dot dress. I think it turned out so cute. It might not be wearable on an everyday basis, but I think it is so cute as a 2-piece set. I got a really cute picture in the 2-piece, so if you guys want to go check that out, I'll leave my Instagram right here, and all my social medias are actually in the description box down below, so make sure to go check those out. The next item I chose to flip was this cheetah print cardigan. Cheetah print has kind of been making a comeback in 2018, more 2019, and I love it because I used to be obsessed with cheetah print in middle school. So this was so easy. I actually didn't have to do any cuts, anything. What I did is I put the cardigan back on. I just buttoned up the 3rd and 4th buttons on the cardigan. I took the 2 end pieces that were loose and I tied them together twice to make a knot, and I turned it into a little bit of a crop top. And then I just rolled up the sleeves to add a bit more style to the top, and I think it turned out so cute. This was literally so easy. Like I said, I didn't have to do any cuts, anything. I just buttoned up 2 buttons, tied the top, rolled the sleeves, and made it into a cute little crop top. The next item I did is also one of my favorite items of the whole video because it is so practical and wearable. I've always wanted a white jean jacket, but I feel like I haven't been able to find the right one for a good price. Jean jackets can be very pricey, around like $50 to $100. When I found this white jean jacket in my mom's closet, I just knew I had to include it in this video. So this jacket was actually by the brand Guess. Nowadays, if you bought a Guess jean jacket, it would be around $70. When I looked at the size for the jean jacket, it was an extra large, and oversized things can be cute. And I really do like wearing oversized things, but when I tried this jean jacket on, it was just clearly way too big on me, and I didn't like where it fell on my waist. So I was scrolling through Pinterest for a few ideas for this video, and I found this jean jacket that was actually cut into kind of like a cropped jean jacket. So I decided that I was going to crop this jacket and then also just dress it like I did with the Levi's jeans. So I took the jacket and I tried it on and I measured out how long I wanted it to be, and again I just used a Sharpie to mark where I wanted it to be so I didn't lose my place when I would take it off. And then I took the jean jacket off and I just cut above the Sharpie line that I had made, just like the other items that I did. Once the jacket was cut, I wanted to distress the ends just like I did for the shorts, so I just pulled out the ends of the fabric to make it a little bit frayed, a little bit distressed. And then I also wanted to make just a few holes in the jacket like I did with the jeans. So I did the same process where I took a little piece of a cardboard box and then a box cutter. I made horizontal lines until a hole formed, and then I pulled out the frayed edges to make it distressed. I think this jacket turned out so cute. I already posted an Instagram picture wearing this jacket. If you want to, you can definitely go check out my Instagram to see how I styled this jacket. Okay, the last item I flipped was another denim piece. This was actually a denim tank top, and when I found this in my mom's closet, I honestly thought it was cute just how it was, but when I tried it on, it ended up being too big. It had these weird buttons in the back and it was really low on my back, so I knew that I had to make some adjustments. What I did is I just undid all the buttons on the back of the shirt and then just cut with a pair of scissors the part that attached to the back of the shirt. When I put the shirt back on, it was obviously still long, so I just folded it under to make it a little bit of a crop top, and then I tied the 2 ends in the back where it was wide open. It turned into a cute little jean crop top. This is perfect for the summer. I can definitely see myself wearing this. This was super easy, and I think it turned out so cute. Okay, and that is all the items that I ended up flipping from my mom's closet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was such a unique and fun video idea to film. Definitely go check out Nava's channel. It'll be linked down below. Other than that, that is the end of this video. Leave me a comment down below if you guys want me to do videos similar to this in the future, or like this, which will let me know that you enjoyed this video as well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys!